Open house Saturday, January 27, noon, 2 p.m. Motivated sellers, bring offers. Welcome to this custom-built all-brick pool home with 4 bedrooms and 3 full baths. Walking up to the front door, you are greeted by a tiled front porch and glass door. The foyer and great room have soaring 10-feet ceilings with recessed lighting and crown molding. Open concept split floorplan with luxury wood look tile throughout, no carpet anywhere. The eat-in kitchen is perfect for entertaining with breakfast bar, granite countertops, and stainless steel appliances. The owner's suite has a tray ceiling with large walk-in closet. The spacious ensuite bath has double vanities and walk-in shower with glass door. French doors from the great room lead out onto the covered porch and into the backyard oasis with a Gunite Saltwater Pool, paver patio, and tropical landscaping. Yard has a sprinkler well and pump with timer for carefree watering. Separate laundry room with door to the double-car garage with professionally applied epoxy flooring. This move-in ready home is just a short drive to the sugar white sand of Navarre Beach and close to shopping and restaurants. When you already live in paradise, where will you go on vacation?